10 interesting Siberian tiger facts. One, Siberian tigers are the world's largest cat. While tigers may be the largest among big cats, Siberian tigers are the largest within the species. A male Siberian tiger may grow to reach 10 feet long from head to tail and weigh up to 575 pounds. For a comparison, a male Siberian tiger can be as long as a station wagon and weigh about half as much as a grand piano. Females are smaller, typically weighing 240 to 290 pounds. In captivity, the largest tiger on record is a male Siberian tiger called Jaipur, who was owned by an American animal trainer named Joan Byron Marasek. In 1986, at the age of 9 years old, Jaipur measured 3.32 meters, 10 feet 11 inches, long and weighed 423 kilograms. 2. They are the only tigers that can survive in snow. Aside from their size, Amur tigers have various adaptations to help combat the cold. Siberian tigers' coats grow thicker and longer than other tiger species. These cats also have winter boots fitted into their paws to protect them from the frigid snow, and a layer of fat on their belly to help keep out the cold. Three, tiger cubs are born blind. For the first 2 months, tiger cubs are completely reliant on their mother. The eyes of a tiger cub open between 6 and 12 days after birth. However, they still won't achieve full eyesight until a few weeks late. The tigress is exclusively responsible for the cub's security and care during this period, which is why she only leaves them for brief periods of time. 4. Cubs begin hunting at 8 months old. Around 2 months of age, cubs will begin to follow their moms out of the cave. They do not, however, take part in the hunt at this time. Instead, they wait in a secure location for their mother to return with the food. It isn't until they are about 8 months old that the mother will begin teaching her cubs to hunt. Tiger cubs spend the most of their time playing with their siblings and their mother. Playing helps developing tiger kittens learn vital life skills including stalking, pouncing, swatting, and climbing. The tigress's primary priority is teaching her cubs how to hunt and defend themselves before they set off on their own. 5. A Siberian tiger's night vision is 6 times stronger than a human's. Tigers have more rods than cones in their eyes to help with night vision. The increased number of rods enables them to detect prey movement in conditions when color vision would be ineffective. Tigers also have a structure called the tapetum lucidum in the rear of the eye, behind the retina, that allows them to see better at night. This mirror-like structure reflects light back into the eye for a second time, aiding in the production of a brighter picture. When a light is put on their eyes at night, this is what causes them to glow. Six, they are extremely patient hunters. Tigers spend a significant amount of time hunting. They are extremely strong and have highly developed sensory organs. Only 1 out of every 10 efforts are successful. If the effort fails, the tiger prefers to look for a new victim rather than following the previous one. 7. Siberian tigers can eat up to 60 pounds in one night. To survive in the frigid temperature, an adult must consume around 20 pounds, 9 kilograms, of food every day. A hungry tiger may consume up to 60 pounds, 27 kilograms, in one night, however they normally consume less. Siberian tigers are highly revered. Throughout many cultures, tigers are seen as heavenly spirits. In Siberia and Eastern Russia, the tiger is known as the guardian of the forest. The indigenous peoples of this area view the tiger as a spirit who protects the forest and keeps nature in balance. The Tungusic people even refer to a tiger as grandfather or old man. In China, tigers are symbolized as the protections of goodness and the destruction of evil. They are also seen as a balancing force opposite the dragon. While the dragon represents yang, masculine energy, the tiger represents yin, feminine energy. 9. War has taken a toll on the tiger population. Siberian tigers once widely populated the Korean peninsula. So many, in fact, it was known as the land of tigers. However, during the Japanese colonial period of between 1910 and 1945, hundreds or thousands of wild animals, including bears, tigers, leopards, and wolves were hunted down or killed every year by the Japanese on the excuse of protecting people from the animals. 10. The Siberian tiger is the national animal of South Korea. The tiger holds a deep status in South Korean culture. Siberian tigers often show up in Korean folklore and mythology as divinities or the soul of gods. They are also represented in various painting and sculpture throughout Korean history. For this reason, the Siberian tiger, or Korean tiger as it is known within the country, named the national animal of South Korea.